Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss our next medicine from A series, which is Aesculus hippocastanum. So Aesculus is adapted to people who have hemorrhoidal tendencies. So Aesculus is adapted to people who have hemorrhoidal tendencies, hemorrhoidal complaints. Also, these people suffer from gastric or bilious complaints. These people may also have gastric or bilious complaints. So, there will be complaints of indigestion seen in Aesculus. Next is there will be hemorrhoidal tendencies. So, hemorrhoids will be non bleeding in nature. So, non bleeding piles will be seen. Non bleeding piles. Along with this, there will be a characteristic sensation. So, there will be a sensation of sticks in the rectum. There is a sensation of sticks in the rectum, as if there will be knife like pains. There will be burning as well as pain with the piles, and the piles will be non bleeding in nature. Okay, and there will be a sensation of heaviness and lameness in the back. So there will be a sensation of heaviness and lameness in the back, and along with this there will be constipation. So this is also given in complaints of constipation. So constipation with dryness of the rectum. There will be constipation with dryness of rectum along with backache. In Aesculus, majority of the complaints will be accompanied by backache. Okay, like piles with backache. You will see piles with backache. Also, constipation with backache will be seen. And also, in cases of prolapse of the uterus, so prolapse of uterus with backache will be seen. Prolapse of uterus with backache. Okay. So, these are the key points to remember in cases of Aesculus. Now, mentally the person will be easily angered. So, he will easily lose the temper and gain control very slowly. And also, you will see undue amount of blood. There will be congestion, undue amount of blood with fullness in the parts. In most of the complaints like hemorrhoids, you will see undue amount of blood with fullness in the parts. And here L denotes the lumbosacral region. So backache will affect the lumbosacral region. Lumbosacral region will be affected. There will be sensation of heaviness and lameness, and U denotes the uterine prolapse. So uterine prolapse with the backache. Okay, and these complaints will be aggravated from motion, from stooping and walking. Now let us summarize Aesculus hippocastanum. So number 1, Aesculus is adapted to people who have hemorrhoidal complaints. So the piles will be non-bleeding in nature. Non-bleeding piles will be seen. There will be a sensation of sticks in the rectum. There will be knife-like pains. Along with this, you will see piles with backache. So piles, non-bleeding piles with backache, constipation with backache, and also prolapse of uterus with backache will be seen. And there will be complaint of constipation also, and there will be lumbosacral region affected. In backache, lumbosacral region will be affected. So I hope this is an easy way to remember Aeschylus.